What's going on, traders? John with Tactical Trading here with our weekly watch list. As I stated in the OTC Saturday video, we have to be very careful this week, and I think going forward over the next couple of weeks, I do anticipate this market heating up, but now that we're in this little bit of a downtrend, we're in this choppy market, looks like a lot of afternoon pullbacks. I think we have to be very careful with the way we trade some of these stocks. First stock that I'm going to be mentioning is a stock that I mentioned on my OTC Saturday video, which is Giga Metals, HNCKF. That's HNCKF. This stock closed at $1.25, up 185% on Friday. This company mines for metals in Canada, and it was rumored on Friday that they have struck a deal with Tesla for its nickel, for the batteries. And I know this has been a hot subject due to Battery Day coming up on September 22nd. This stock ran all the way up to $1.45. The company denied that they were going to put out a press release for any of these rumors, and it sunk all the way back down into the mid-60s. Then later in the day, it slowly grinded up the rest of the day all the way up to a close at $1.25 from about noon Eastern time all the way to the close. Something like that, when I see that type of price action, tells me that these rumors, there may be a little more something to the rumors than meets the eye. Being that this company completely just exploded up 181%, and it even went higher. I would be watching this to continue its run next week. This happened to be a perfect first OTC Green Day, and like I said, closed near its highs, closed strong. I would anticipate possibly a gap up on tomorrow morning, and if this thing can break those highs of 145, I think this thing can really start to run, especially if this company puts out a press release verifying that it has a deal or has struck a deal with Tesla, or if even rumors that it's going to strike a deal with Tesla. A lot of times in these OTC markets, when you get these micro cap plays and or these these OTC plays that strike a deal with a larger company or one of the, I mean, obviously this is one of the biggest companies in the stock market and one of the major players in the stock market. This may propel this stock quite significantly. So I would definitely keep my eye on HNCKF, Giga Metals. The second stock we're going to be looking at is a listed play. This is actually a stock called Polymet Mining, PLM. Stock closed on Friday at $3.51. It was only up about 3% on Friday. This is what I'm going off. This is basically a listed sympathy play. This stock has shown a propensity to run. I've seen huge spikes. In fact, just last week it had a nice spike. A couple of weeks back had a really nice spike in it. So I would be looking in anticipation to Battery Day. There's going to be a lot of traders and investors loading up on these nickel mining stocks. Who knows what Elon Musk is going to say in this on September 22nd, but the fact of the matter is he's come out in several press conferences and several statements stating that they're going to be looking for nickel mining companies that they're going to give long-term big contracts to, and Polymet Mining might be one of those companies. Like I said, this is pure speculation on my part. This is actually just a listed sympathy play. It's a little bit of a higher float stock, but like I said, it has shown a good propensity to run. So I do like PLM going into next week. Another company is Control Energy with a K, Control Energy, KNRLF. This is an OTC play that closed at $3.72. It was up 63.88% on Friday. These guys received positive lab results for its BioCloud product, which is a wall-mounted technology that detects and alerts for bacteria and viruses, including the election infection. And this detects it in the air. This stock traded under 500,000 shares on Friday, so it's a little bit of a lower volume traded play. If traders pick up on this news, especially over the weekend, and more volume comes into the stock, I can see a very good continuation going into next week. So everyone, you might want to put this on your watch list. It is Control Energy with a K, KNRLF. And the final stock we're going to be watching on this watch list is POLA, Polar Power, POLA. This stock closed at $1.45, down 3% on Friday. This is a very low float stock that sells direct current power generators, renewable energy, and it serves the telecom, military, EV charging, and more. With this storm heading towards the Gulf area, anytime there's a huge hurricane or storm that lands upon the U.S., there's a huge need for generators, and this is one of the major players in the generator area. And the last storm that hit just a couple weeks back, was it a little over a week ago, this stock POLA spiked all the way up to about 260. Right now trading at $1.45 and being very low float. If this thing catches any momentum, this thing's going to spark it and run. So this is a play I'm going to be looking at very closely for a trade this week once that storm hits, and I anticipate, or they're saying that the storm's going to hit Tuesday morning. So this would be something good for tomorrow and Tuesday into that storm hitting, and then, you know, take your 30, 20, 30, 40% gains and bail out of this one. So those are the 4 stocks I'm going to be watching this week: HNCKF, PLM, KNRLF, and POLA. Those are the 4 stocks that we're watching this week. As always, please like, please share, please subscribe. We got up to 675 subscribers, so if you're watching the video and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. It would help me out greatly, and I'd appreciate it. I don't get paid anything for this channel. I obviously just do a ton of research. As you can see with the production value, I don't put much into it as far as that, but I put a lot of time as far as researching these stocks, scouring through the markets, OTC and listed plays, to find you guys the best plays to play for the week. So again, I appreciate it if you would subscribe. If you haven't, please hit the like button. If you have any stocks that you'd like me to take a look at, please put them in the comment section below. If you have any comments or concerns, please put them in the comment section below. And as always, you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and let's get that money, traders.